begins like any normal chess game. White opens with the pawn marching forward to d4, staking a claim in the very heart of the board. Black responds with the knight leaping to f6, flexible, ambitious, contesting the center with pieces rather than pawns. White pushes another pawn forward to c4, building what chess masters call the perfect center, two pawns standing side by side, controlling the entire heart of the board. Black plays pawn to e6, preparing something dangerous. The bishop is about to enter the game. White brings the knight out to f3, natural, solid, developing with purpose, and then black strikes. Bishop flies all the way to b4. Check. The white king is under pressure already, but white does not panic. The bishop on c1 steps forward to d2, blocking the check, inviting the trade. Black accepts. Bishop takes d2. Check. The queen slides over and recaptures on d2. Now white's queen is out early, but she has a plan. She will not stay on d2 for long. Black plays pawn to b6, preparing to activate the light square bishop. White plays pawn to g3, quietly, preparing to fianchetto. Black places the bishop on b7. The long diagonal opens up like a highway. The bishop stares deep into white's position, but white smiles. Bishop goes to g2, and now both bishops are locked in a staring contest across the longest diagonal on the board. Black castles kingside. The king finds safety behind the pawns. White develops the knight to c3, reinforcing the center. Everything looks normal. Black strikes again. Knight jumps to e4, right into the center of the board, attacking c3, attacking d2. Black feels confident, and then white plays a quiet move. Queen slides to c2. Nothing dramatic, no fireworks, just a quiet queen move. But this is the moment the trap is set. From c2, the queen has a perfect view of h7, the square right next to the black king. From c2, the queen also stares down the diagonal, toward b7, toward a8, where the black rook sits completely unaware. Black does not see it. Black takes the knight on c3, thinking, I have won a piece, I am winning. But chess has a cruel way of punishing greed. Knight to g5, 2 exclamation marks, the best move on the board. White ignores the free knight on c3. White creates not one, but 2 devastating threats at the same time. Threat number 1, the knight on g5 combined with the queen on c2 and the bishop on g2 creates a mating battery aimed directly at h7. The black king has nowhere to run. Threat number 2, the queen on c2 and the bishop on g2 are both aimed at b7. If the bishop falls, the rook on a8 is next. Black cannot stop both. It is mathematically impossible. Black brings the knight back desperately to e4, blocking the mating attack for one more moment, but white is not finished. Bishop takes e4, removing the last defender. Black takes back with the bishop, forced, no choice, and now, queen takes e4. The queen lands in the center of the board, and she looks left, toward h7, toward the black king, and she looks right, toward a8, toward the black rook. Both are under attack at the same time, from the same queen. Black must choose save the king or save the rook. Black plays queen takes g5, saving the king from the mating threat, and white's queen glides all the way across the board. Queen takes a8, the rook is gone. White has won the exchange. White has won the material. White has won the game. This is the Monticelli Trap, a masterpiece of geometry, a weapon hidden inside a quiet queen move, and once the trap is set, there is no escape.